Hi, everybody. I'm concerned sometimes that when I send email messages or Gmail messages, I'm not sure what happens to them after they get sent. We want to talk about a thing called confidentiality mode. In Gmail, you can send messages and attachments and turn on Gmail's confidentiality mode to help protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. When you use confidential mode, basically what you can do is set an expiration date for messages and revoke access at any time. Recipients of this confidential message will have options to forward, copy, print, and download turned off. Now, how do you do this? Because it sounds pretty magic, doesn't it? You're going to come to the message. I have a new message here opened up that includes information that I want to be confidential. I don't want this content to be able to be forwarded to someone else. So on the bottom of the message, I'm going to come down to the right-hand side and look for the padlock with a clock on it. This allows me to toggle on my confidential mode. When I click on this, the confidential mode box opens up. You'll see things here that it will allow me to set an expiration date on this message. Additionally, I can decide whether I'm going to include passwords and if there is no SMS password or if there is an SMS passcode included. Now, if I choose no SMS passcode, recipients of this Gmail, I should say recipients using the Gmail app will be able to open it directly. If they don't have a Gmail, they will get an emailed passcode. If I choose to do an SMS passcode, recipients will get a passcode by text message. We need to make sure that we enter the recipient's phone number, not your own if you do this. I'm going to go ahead and just say no SMS passcode and click on save. And you'll see here this again, little alarm comes up, notification, letting me know that whoever I've sent this message to will not be able to forward, copy, print, or download the email, which is exactly what I want. Notice that the confidential mode button is highlighted and I'll click on send. Again, this helps me to send messages with a peace of mind knowing that the message will stay confidential just between myself and the person I sent it to. And in this case, it will also expire after that month of time. Again, try sending a message to someone with the confidential mode on so you can see how easy it is to do.